YouTube friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you how I received Spotify Premium completely for free. Using promo codes you can get a 12-month subscription without any expenses. So let's dive into it and I'll show you how I managed to get those promo codes. Alrighty, I'm gonna share my screen so you can understand me better, and all you have to do is search for that coupon website. It's called enjoycoupons.com. Once we are on that site, we have to look for Spotify. Then we have to press show coupon button and then unlock code. So here we have the list of offers which we have to complete. We can choose at least 2 of them. For instance, this one, and download and install this app, then open it for 30 seconds to unlock this content. And another one, for instance this one, so it's download the app and reach level 3. As you guys can see, I've done that before, so all we have to do is then, after completing those 2 offers, we have to type done and click submit to receive the free coupon codes. So I'm gonna press done and submit. So here you see I received my code, and I really do hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you will use your promo codes as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you, I guess, next time.